Hello.
Oh goodness. I don't have enough water. What's that? Never mind.
Chrom, chrom, chrom.
Excuse me.
I don't know how the pig's doing. Oh yes, oink, oink, oink. The duck.
Oh my goodness.
What was that? He seems not bothered.
No.
New driver in the town. What's that? Hello. Oh no. I told you he's sleepy. He saw pigs, chickens and goats. He's knocked out.
Yes. He's enjoying the farm.
Yes. He enjoyed it so much he fell asleep.
Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Are you comfy there? You look very comfy. Hello. Oh, Daddy, bad driving. Oh no. Okay. Let's see. He's knocked out. You can do whatever you want to him.
Yeah.
Good. Moo. Oh, he's so cute.
There's a fire.
Charlie, what does it say? I can't read it. I am.
You are. What?
Hello, Daddy.
Hello.
Beautiful, yeah? Lovely.
Get there and
He's not. Yes, he's so cute. Wake up. Wake up. Oh my goodness, what you doing with your hands?
It's the rain.
Ooh. It's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, the cuteness. Look at the little hat. Look at the little
He looks like he's on safari.
Yeah. No, yes. Beautiful outing. He woke up. Yay.
And you have to go.
Well, at least he woke up. He usually just sleeps while we're outside because it's so nice. And then we go outside and he cries because
Because he didn't see anything.
yeah, he pulls a tantrum because he wants to go outside. So now he woke up. Amazing. Go, he said.